Hi guys, good morning. The today's topic is operators. So first we have to know what is operators. Then we have to know what is operand. First, we know operator is a symbol that performs some operation that may be logical operations or mathematical operations or arithmetic operations. So it will perform some operations. So operator means it is a symbol. We already knew that. Then the new term is operand. So what is operand? So operand is one of the it specifies an entity that performs some operation between two variables. So operand may be a data or variables. It performs some operation based on the operator. So these are the basics of the operator and operand. So we know that what is operator and what is operand. So then next. So there are many types of operators we use for the perform of perform. So first we know what are the operators we can discuss. So first is arithmetic operator, then in that increment and decrement operator, then relational operator, logical operator, assignment operators, bitwise operator, conditional operators. So generally we know what is arithmetic operators and increment and decrement operators because the basis of in C programs we might use arithmetic operators, increment operators, relational operators. So one by one we can see in the following steps. So first arithmetic operators. What is arithmetic operators? We done the functions addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and these are some of the arithmetic operators. So plus symbol is a operand that performs two plus is the operator that performs one arithmetic operation. So that is addition, subtraction, multiplication. So these are the some of the examples of arithmetic operators. Then for example, we take this program as an example for arithmetic programs. So first, already I told in our last video that structure of C programs. Based on that, we will see that first we start as include stdio.h, that is the header file. Then we include the main function. After that, we are initializing the value a is equal to 10, b is equal to 4. That is, it is declared locally. So inside the function only, it will perform some operations. Then in that, I told there will be a comment section. So the second line after the double slash print in A and B. It is the comment line. So we have to print A and B. So we giving that statement. So that is a comment line. So it won't reflect in the external, that is compilation process. During the compilation, it won't reflect on that. Only the statement will be printed there. So that is the comment section. Then again, we give printf statement. So printf is already a pre-processor. Already it is a predefined processor. It will execute there. Then now only we're going to perform the arithmetic operation here. So in this, a is a variable, B is a variable. RES is a result. It is also one of the variable name. So this is the operand. So they using the symbols there equal to and plus. These are the operators in this program. So these are the operators we use here. So these are the operators in arithmetic operators we using here. A plus B, then A minus B, then A multiplication B and A divide B. So these are the some of the arithmetic operators that function used in this program. Then next increment and decrement operator. So we know that in increment operator there is a post increment and pre increment. If it is post increment, then the increment process will done after the initialization. Otherwise, it is a pre increment, then value will be get incremented. After that, it will enter into the loop and it get initialized. The same way, the decrement operator will also perform. So it will decrement the value and then it will process in that. So same way the increment operator, the decrement will also perform in this arithmetic operation performance. Then for this, here is the example. So we're giving everything as a pre-increment and pre-decrement. So values, we give 10 value, it will increment. A pre-increment means it will increment as 11 and then it enter into the initialization process. So this is one of the example. Then next one is the relational operator. So do you know what is relational operator? So relation between the two operators, that is relational operators. So it may be equal to or not equal to, greater or like a lesser or. So comparing the two different operands, that is known as relational operators. It may be between the two variables or two values, whatever may be. It relates the two different operands, that is the relational operators. First examples are equal to equal to. This operator will be equal, then not equal to. So it will not relate anything, so it remains not equal. Then we check two operand as a greater or equal to, which one is greater. So this is relation between the two operators, so this we use here. Then, for example, we are using here already. I told that we will initialize the value and we check the condition. So in this, we are checking. We will give the input and we will check. So first condition I told equal to. So 5 equal to 5. We will check whether it is equal or not. Then not equal or not, we will check. Then greater or lesser, we will check. These are the conditions we check in relational operators. Then logical operators. So what is logical operators? So there are three logical operators functions we perform in the condition. So first logical operator is logical and, logical or, and logical not. These are the one of the decision making conditions. In the looping statements, we will use these logical operators. For example, we can take the leap year program. In that, we will check the condition whether the given year is divided by 4 and it is divided by 100. It is, so it should be equal to 0. So when divided by 4 it is equal to 0, means it will be a leap year. So we use the condition logical and, logical or, and equal to. So equal or not equal, so three logical conditions also we use in that program. So these are the logical operators. Then, if we give the logical operators, it will take zeros and ones. That is, if it is true or false only, it will take as the input. It won't take as the input what we give. So logical operators will have true and false condition. Based on that, the condition will be executed. It is also one of the decision making. Then, for example, this program we can use so greater or lesser. We can use how logical operators working. We can see here. So a logical and, logical or, and not equal to. The three conditions are using here. So we will check using that. Then assignment operators. This is the simplest operators we are using for everything. A plus B is equal to C. So if so a normal we will normally use an assignment operator to assign a value for a single operand or operator. So assigning a value is a default thing that we'll use here. So first one, if you want to assign the values to the right side of the operand or left side of the operand, we use equal to. Then we can use plus or equal to. So if you use a plus or equal to, then it assign the results to left. So we can see in this clipping that a plus is equal to b is same as a is equal to a plus b. So it assign the results to the left side. So this is the thing. Then same way minus equal to. So subtract the right operand from left operand and assign the result to the left operand. Again same as multiplication division. For everything, if you assign the value, it assign to the left side of the operand. So this is the condition for assignment operator. So we have the example here. C is equal to A, C plus is equal to A. So we can write this as C is equal to A. So this is the condition. So this is the assignment operators. Then bitwise operator. So already we know that logical operators is a logical and, logical or logical not. So the same way, this is also one of the manipulation bit level. Based on that, we will use. So operators perform shifting of bits. Right shift, left shift can be used in this. So next position, it will move to the next position from right or left. These are not applied to float or double. So this condition is only applied to some of the things, and it will not be applied to float or double. That is, we can apply to int. Then these are the example program for bitwise operator. So int a is equal to true. Already I told that it cannot be given to the float or double because float means it is a point value. So if we cannot shift the values, so we can use only for integer. Then conditional operators. We already know that what is conditional operator. Conditional operator is only the ternary operator, the question mark. So that is the conditional operator. It is used to construct conditional expressions. So whether it is a conditional question, it may be a question. To evaluate that, we use conditional operators. So conditional operators program is here. So 5 is greater or equal to 2. Then question mark we using. If it is, then print hello. So the given condition is true. Then it will follow the condition and it will execute the output. This is the conditional operator. So program for this is also there. We will check whether C is smaller, A is smaller than B. Question mark A is to B. So if it is greater, then we have to print A. Otherwise, we have to print B. Same way, the next condition smaller greater than C. If it is small, then we have to print small, either C. So based on this, the condition operator will execute. So example, ternary operator. So some of the special case operators is used. So return size of a variable one, then return address, then return pointer. So these three are the special case operators that are used here. So example for that is just size of the integer, size of the float, size of the double, and size of the characters can be declared here. This is the simple example for the special operator. Thank you.